Hello everybody, my name is Gatis Kandis and today I will find out what is the difference in the light intensity for the torch on the iPhone. When you go here and then you press the flashlight, this thing comes up and you have basically 4 intensity levels. So there is 25%, 50%, 75 and 100, and so they are supposed to be, but I'm not sure whether that is actually true, so therefore I'm going to be using this light meter. There are apps you can use, but they're not so precise, so therefore I have got the actual device for it, for measuring. As you can see, when I do that, the number goes much higher. I'm going to measure exactly what the difference is in the intensity levels, and so we will find out whether Apple is lying to us or not. So without further ado, let me get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start with iPhone 5S, and so as you can see, it is on 0 at the moment. So I'm gonna turn it on, and let's start. Okay, so as you can, it's still on 0. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the 25% level. Let's see what's that gonna show us. Okay, so that is 44. 44, it's actually 440 luxes because it's times 10, but that is not important. The difference is important. So that's 44. Let's go to the next one. Should be 88, right? Let's see whether it's going to be 88. Okay, here we go. 3 to 1. 89. Okay, so it is actually very close. I am impressed how close it is. From 44 it went to 89, so it was like almost 88, very close. Okay, I'm gonna go to the next one. 75% is 131, 130, between 130 and 131. And then the last but not least, the 100% is 174. Okay, so I'm gonna put these like right in a table next to each other so we can see exact results. Okay, moving on. Okay, and I'm gonna do exact same thing with iPhone SE. The old one, not the one that came out half a year ago, but the old one. So here we go. We'll see whether it's any brighter, because the iPhone 5S was 44 times 10 luxes. So let's see what this one is. Oh no, it took too long. No, I gotta read to it again. Okay, so here we go. Let's start with 25%. Okay, very close. It's 45, so it's almost there. So let's see whether it's gonna be 90. Okay, a little bit, 91, 92. Okay, it's like couple percent more than the other phone was. And then this is gonna be 135, and then this one should be like I don't know, 180. Oh yeah, 180. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. 45 times 4. Okay, it's pretty close. Okay, and last but not least, I'm gonna do with the new iPhone SE, which is about twice as bright. So I'm expecting to be maybe like, oh, it went away already. Expecting to be like, instead of 44, maybe like 90 or something, but I don't know. We'll see. Let's start that now. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, my goodness. Okay, this is way brighter. It's probably also because the flash might be closer, but no, it shouldn't. It's the same place. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure. Like it's way. Oh, you guys didn't see. It's 120. So let's see. Is next one gonna be 240? It is indeed 240. That's already a lot brighter than it was 100% than the other phones. And then this one is gonna be like 300. Oh, 400. And then the 100% is gonna be 400. So, okay, this was interesting. Look, 75% is like almost 400, right? And then 100% is only a little bit more. It should be quite a lot more, but it's only a little bit more. So the difference between 75% and 100% is very little on the iPhone SE. So that is very interesting results. Okay, so those were very interesting results. I'm gonna now put them all side by side so we have a better comparison, and then we will know the truth about Apple. Okay, I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so here is a chart comparing iPhone 5S and iPhone SE. And as you can see, iPhone SE is hardly brighter than iPhone 5S, pretty much the same. And also the increments are very, very equal. But now when we compare iPhone SE with the new iPhone SE, you can see how much more brighter the new iPhone SE is. And also you can see how 75% is actually jumped a lot higher than it should be. And then 100% therefore is just a little bit higher. Okay, so here as well you can see how for iPhone SE, the levels are going up about equally. But then for iPhone SE2, you can see how 75% suddenly jumps up crazy high, and then the 100% goes just a little bit higher, so you can clearly see the difference. How perfect it is on iPhone SE comparing to iPhone SE2, where the 75% is like way up there, and then probably because of that the 100% is no longer able to go much higher. So as you can see, Apple is clearly lying to you. And there you go. As you could see from my experiment, Apple is telling us bologna sandwich. So naughty, naughty, naughty Apple. So naughty. I wanted it to be 25, 50, 75, 100%, but no, couldn't be like that. But it's okay. I'm still grateful for your product. I was even using your own numbers app to demonstrate how cheater you are. Okay, I'll finish now. Thank you everybody for watching, and I will speak to you soon.